In the past few years, we've had some fantastic examples of translating preclinical studies that were started here into clinical trials. So, for example, in my field of inherited immune disorders, we've had 2 new trials open that were directly stemming from work that we've done here with drug products manufactured here in the ZCR GMP facility. Now, there's a lot of exciting kind of technology that's coming forward in the area of gene therapy. Gene editing is probably something that you may have heard of using CRISPR technologies. So we're really at the point of seeing those exciting technologies moving forwards into clinical trials for patients with rare genetic diseases. I think one of the other areas I'm really excited about is that GOSH is exploring whether it can be a marketing authorization holder and actually license some of the gene therapies that we develop here. We've seen in the past few years that commercial partners are less interested in rare disease gene therapies. It's just not commercially feasible for them. And we wonder whether we are able to kind of fill that gap. And what really makes us in a unique position to do that is the ZCR facility. Because we have the GMP facility here, it really means that we actually could try and make this a possibility.
The real difference that we've made, GOSH is a hospital where children come with hope, where they cannot get a treatment anywhere else. And so the research that we've been able to pioneer at the Zayed Centre is providing children with hope for a cure tomorrow.
Let's say the vision that I see in the UAE is that we become a hub for genomics, at least for the region at the beginning. And I really want to see a lot of discoveries like gene therapies that come out from the UAE for our kids back in the country.